You might have tried using Midjourney or another AI image generator to create something with text, like a logo, only to see that the image quality is amazing, but the text is just complete gibberish all over the place. Well, obviously you're not alone, this is something AI generators have struggled with since all this AI madness started. But today that changed. Just have a look at these pictures I just generated. Just look how great this text is. Here are some logos I tried to generate for my channel. These are actually usable and really amazing. I'm so impressed. As you can see, it doesn't always do what you want. For instance, here I tried Donald Trump in a black t-shirt with the white text, "I heart Joe Biden." Here it actually did that. Here it made a bit of a mess of it. As you can see, it actually put in a heart where I said heart. Here's Elon Musk wearing a banana costume with 3D words saying help underneath. This is what it gave me. I mean, that is Elon Musk in a banana suit saying help. There we go again. It's actually all legible. There's some 3D text. Here it added another L, so it's definitely not perfect, but it is miles ahead of any other AI generator. As you can see, the Trump one actually took 8 tries before it actually gave me the one I wanted, but it is super quick. Let me show you how it works. So it's called Ideogram or Ideogram. I'm guessing it's Ideogram. So when you head over to ideogram.ai, you'll be on the trending page. Just have a look at these amazing images people have generated. It seems to do very well with movie posters. Look at the detail, look how perfect that text is. As you can see, this is a very powerful image generator, even without the text capabilities. So it's a very simple page. We have the recent, the trending, the following, and the top images. The top tab is amazing for inspiration. So after you've made your free account, at the top you can fill in your prompt. So let's just try a beautiful blue sky with the words "like this video" written in 3D clouds. We will leave the style empty. I'll have it on one by one. Let's hit generate. Now every generation you make is completely public, just so you know. So as you can see, it got the text right, but it's not in fluffy clouds. Still, these are pretty cool. Here it missed the word video. Here it did them in the wrong order. Let's try making a logo. Logo for a t-shirt that says "I love cats." Vibrant anime fashion. Now I think this is pretty cool. Seriously, have a look through the trending and the top pages here, because people have made some amazing stuff just with very simple prompts. So yeah, give it a try. Link will be in the description, but it's ideogram.ai. Just thought I'd share this with you. Thanks so much for watching.